Welcome to a demo of Predictica's voice-based food ordering virtual assistant. It is based on the full menu of a national pizza chain. This kind of voice virtual assistant can be used to take orders at a drive-thru, in the store, on the phone, or via a web or mobile app. We have used Predictica's proprietary patent-pending platform for natural language understanding and the dialogue engine that manages the context and dialogue around the restaurant menu. For voice to text, we use Google's Web Speech API to convert raw speech to text and vice versa. Our virtual assistants can also work using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant as the voice front ends. In the following demo, we will demonstrate how a user can engage in a very unstructured dialogue while ordering their food. We will pause the demo periodically to make some key observations along the way. Let us start.
Welcome to the Predictica Demo Food Bot. It is based on the menu of a national pizza chain. Please tell us what you would like.
What can you do?
I can answer general questions about food ordering. You can ask me questions. For example, how do I find nutritional value chart? Any vegan crust? Any gluten-free choices? Is there any promotions or coupons? Or just tell me what you want in your own words. Please tell us what you would like.
I want a large thin crust pizza with pepperoni, onions, and sausage, along with, some wings. And oh yes, give me a medium hand-tossed pepperoni pizza with, buffalo sauce.
Select the sauce for your create your own pizza.
Suspending the demo to make some observations. Notice that we started right off the bat with asking a general FAQ style question without actually getting into ordering of the items we wanted. And then we followed that with a very complex utterance with 3 items, along with pauses and filler words that are very common in verbal communication. Each of the 3 items that is ordered is incomplete, and the virtual assistant will ask questions to complete those orders. Back to our demo. What are my choices?
Classic marinara, barbecue sauce, premium crushed tomato, creamy garlic parmesan, buffalo sauce, no sauce.
Marinara and put goat cheese.
Would you like any other toppings on your create your own pizza?
Suspending the demo. Notice that since you're not quite sure about what sauces are available for the pizza, I can simply ask a question, what are my choices, instead of actually giving an answer. Also notice that in addition to giving that answer, I also gave it extra information, in this case, goat cheese, and in the context that was taken as cheese for the pizza. And so when you see the description on the right-hand side, you'll notice that it's already been filled in. Continuing. Please add mushrooms.
Would you like any other toppings on your create your own pizza?
No more.
Please select an order of our chicken wings, large traditional wings, breaded bone-out wings.
What are large traditional wings?
Classic, crispy bone-in wings is sure to hit the spot. All wings come with your choice of sauce, teriyaki, garlic parmesan, honey barbecue, or our new Nashville hot. Please select an order of our chicken wings, large traditional wings, breaded bone-out wings.
Again, suspending. Since I was not quite sure what large traditional wings are, I asked for a description of that. Notice that through all the zigs and zags in the conversation, the virtual assistant is maintaining the different context and able to deal with multiple context switches. Also note that as the order item is getting completed, it will show up in the window to the right, along with the total price up until that point. Continuing. I will take boneless wings.
Select the sauce and flavoring for the wings.
Show my options.
honey barbecue, buffalo mild, buffalo medium, buffalo burnin' hot, garlic parmesan, Hawaiian teriyaki, spicy garlic. More options.
Teriyaki?
How many wings do you want? 8 pieces, 16 pieces, 24 pieces, 48 pieces.
8 pieces. And can I get some fries?
Select the cheese for your pepperoni pizza.
Suspending the demo. So notice that in addition to telling the agent that I want 8 pieces, I ask for something new and the agent will get to that. The other thing to note is if you're wondering where the pepperoni pizza's cheese is coming from, our very initial request had 3 items. The third item was a pepperoni pizza. And we've been throwing a lot of extra information to the agent along the way. So it's finally getting to completing the pepperoni pizza and so asking about the cheese for it. Resuming. Choices.
Cheese, cheddar cheese, goat cheese, no cheese.
Cheddar. Cheddar.
Select the size of the fries order. Single order, double order.
Suspending again. So notice that sometimes the voice to text engine that we're using will mishear what we're saying, and we can recover from that by simply repeating. The other thing to note is we already talked about the pizza, cheese. Continuing. Single order.
Would you like anything else?
I would like a drink.
Please select a drink.
Just like wings above, intents can be expressed in terms of specific entities or their categories. And in this case, when we say, I would like a drink, the virtual assistant will guide us to picking the right drink. What are my choices?
Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Mist, Lipton Tea, Crush Orange, Dr. Pepper.
Give me a bottle of Pepsi.
Would you like anything else?
Notice that along with my choice of Pepsi, I gave it size 2. And in the context, the agent is able to understand that that bottle applies to the Pepsi. Now, if the user did not know the proper sizes, they could simply say Pepsi and the agent will guide them. If the user gave the wrong answer, the agent will reject it and then ask them to pick the size anyway. Resuming. Pasta.
Please select a pasta dish.
Meaty pasta, and I also want a dessert.
Select the bread to go with your Tuscany meaty marinara pasta, breadsticks, cheese sticks.
Cheese sticks, and please order another side dish for me.
Would you like a second pan of pasta with your Tuscany meaty marinara pasta? No second. Meaty marinara, creamy chicken Alfredo.
No.
Please select a dessert to go with your meal. The ultimate Hershey's chocolate chip cookie, Hershey's triple chocolate brownie, cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamon sticks.
Select the size of cinnamon sticks. Single order, double order.
Double order.
Please select a side item with your meal. Stuffed garlic knots, cheese sticks, breadsticks, fries.
Garlic knots.
How many stuffed garlic knots? 10, 20.
20.
Would you like anything else?
No.
You have completed your order. What do you want to do next? Show order. Pay. Done.
Suspending the demo. So notice that in the last many steps, the agent is systematically going through all our incomplete requests and making sure they're taken care of. So now, as a user, we have now built up a pretty large order, and you can see the items on the right-hand side. We'll just show one more thing where the user can change their mind and try to make changes to the order. Continuing. Change large to medium.
Change large to medium. You have completed your order. What do you want to do next? Show order. Pay. Done.
Suspending the demo again. So notice that the size of the top pizza changed from large to medium, and the total price dropped accordingly. So the virtual agent is able to make the revisions and compute the implications of the change, in this case only the total price. However, in other cases, the changes might be more far-reaching, and our configurator-based dialog engine is able to maintain all the implications of all the decisions that have been made, and when the revisions are made, it's able to revise the decisions accordingly. This completes our demo. Thank you. I want to make some closing observations now that you have seen our demo. Unlike most other bots and virtual assistants, Predictica virtual assistants are not driven by a decision tree. Instead, our bots use Predictica's patent-pending dialog engine and natural language understanding engine that are based around a constraints-based configurator that follows a data flow-driven model. This allows our virtual assistants to have a very flexible and intuitive conversation flow. You would have seen that our dialogues are unstructured, where the user retains full initiative at all times. We call it unstructured since while the user kicks it off with some initial utterance, they are free to add new information or express new intents pretty much any time. The virtual assistant tries to complete every line of inquiry until everything is known. In response to any question, the user can answer the question and express a new intent, or ask a completely different question or intent. In most cases, the virtual assistant is able to handle the new utterances without losing the original context. Predictica virtual assistants are not trained using an explicit set of tagged sentences. Rather, in our patent pending platform, one constructs a task model, and then the model is used to automatically train a natural language understanding engine to understand various intents and extract entities from the utterances. In order to support this, a number of generic intents are built into our platform. Our forthcoming white paper will go into more details. You can register to get a white paper from our corporate virtual assistant at www.predictica.com. Our corporate virtual assistant can also be used to get more information about us or get in touch with us. Thanks for your interest and patience.